It's a common perception that American juries are often kept in the dark about certain aspects of the law, and there's a lot of discussion around why this happens. The jury system itself is a cornerstone of American democracy, deeply rooted in English common law and enshrined in the Sixth and Seventh Amendments of the U.S. Constitution. The idea is that a jury of peers provides a crucial check on government overreach and ensures a balanced, impartial assessment of evidence, upholding community standards. However, the reality of how juries function can be quite different from this ideal. One of the main reasons jurors might feel uninformed is that their role is primarily to determine the facts of a case, not to interpret the law. Judges are responsible for instructing the jury on the applicable law, but these instructions can sometimes be complex and difficult for laypeople to fully grasp. There's also the controversial concept of jury nullification, where a jury, despite believing a defendant has broken the law, chooses to acquit because they disagree with the law itself or its application in a particular case. While not explicitly illegal, judges and prosecutors generally discourage or actively work to prevent jurors from being aware of this power. This intentional darkness can be seen as a way to maintain the perceived integrity of the legal system and prevent what some might view as arbitrary justice. Furthermore, the process of jury selection, known as voir dire, aims to create an impartial jury, but biases can be subtle and difficult to eliminate entirely. While attorneys ask questions to identify potential biases, some argue that this process can also be used to manipulate the jury. Ultimately, the tension lies between the democratic ideal of a jury of peers acting as a bulwark against injustice and the practicalities of a complex legal system that seeks to apply laws consistently. While the system is designed to be fair, the extent to which jurors are truly in the dark about certain legal nuances remains a subject of ongoing debate and concern.